Chin need to go to church. Tina, you need to go to church. Me not call you. Me not send me talk right so you need to go to church. And let God fight the battle for you. You need some wash off. You have time to argue with them. You need to fling up behind them blood clots and shut them up. And you not go to church. Me I go to church so me can't do it. But if me never in my church, I fling one piece of hobby and them blood clot, the whole of them will pick me out here. If me never go to church. You need to fix them. Me don't know where you come from social media, you're not going to church. Me don't see you in our church, me go to church. I don't need to do. Shut them up. You're lucky. Me tell them say me not ramp with them for 2025.
So speak with my family, good morning. That one I name double T, me no Marcia. Lord God. Oh, not one, not two, are the whole of them. Not one. Who know that Tony matter around there? Dirty wine, girl. Dirty wine. Dirty wine. Yes, man. I know one or two of them. Can you imagine? Marcia. A Sentina. Figure do things what she can't do. So basically, it's like Marcia upon her life. And she did the attack. Here comes T-girl join Marcia life. Marcia realized that Tina joined the life. So Marcia now start instruct Tina figure lightning strike the woman a country. Cause she over there play her video. So how much video she play for you? And you check no over and over for strike like lightning. And all now you can't strike. So what you trying to tell the public? Tina know the know how? So why you don't ask her to tell you the know how to do it then? Why you set her up to go strike people? And I tell her, say, oh, she over there play out your life, she not play out my own, so she a talking about but she a play out your own. Big Don said no. Take to fear life on Facebook. Start talk about the whole issue. And how she gonna go over there and when she done do what she gonna do, what she gonna do Thre not. So me could see now if before the next 12 hours from now, if anything gonna happen. Because all them do is come on social media, come yap, you know. And make it look as if, oh, them want people afraid of them. Because Tina, one of them in a Marcia, you know. Always a yap, like them want people afraid of them, like them are the sting out here. And them is just pan them mouth, nothing more. But what surprised me in the video, because as I say, I double, you know. Tina, you're not going to see why I call it double. You're not going to hear Marcia first, then you're going to hear Tina. And everything that Marcia did I refer to in a fair video, you hear Tina come back and make you know, say, over Marcia she get it from. So, Marcia now she concerned because basically there was a news going on when she watch it live, when she do the live. And Chumpy must say, input welfare, input Medicare, Pampers. So you know, say Marcia now, I go hard, they go see doctor now. Because if Medicare gone on hold, she hardly go see doctor now, you know. Because all of these free medical where she used to get and go like a pay, she a pay feet. And we know how she a get it. Ozempic, Olympic, Zebimpic, all kind of pick where she a get. And I get them free. All of that I go cut off now, if so be the case. So, you know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch it out and continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, and follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, the party soon start. We're gonna have our own party over here one day in the weekend, and we're gonna make it 2 days. Because we're gonna make it one of the days. Them going to be a request day, but we're gonna start off with the regular juggling, where we play all genre music and build a momentum, you know. But as you don't know, most in the 90s and fit some of the folks them out here will love them little, you know, all it's, but me I go more into the John Holt and the Ken Booth. Me now go way back down round so around the 60s and the 50s. No. Little John Holt, little Dennis Brown and right. And we build their momentum there. Then now we are going to choose a day now where we call it request day. You know, request day, yeah. where you can call in and request the song what you want to hear. And we have a whole little party. But remember now that I got up on TikTok, so now if you go over TikTok, go follow me. Life is a Mission TV. And favorited, Life is a Mission TV. But please remember, people, on TikTok, you can't drink or smoke in the phone. If you go drink, you have to tuck your face. You can't make TikTok see the drinking or any smoking. Alright, people? And we have the privilege can add in the box. And them something there 6-7 ounces. Most of 6 ounces can hold in the box. And we can reason on them something there. So we run over TikTok. That is the plan for over TikTok. Alright? Because we can play music over there, but we can't play. So go follow me over TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. Only political commentary and thing over there. You know, current affair. And remember the cash app is there, $ charms and trends. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. And please remember, go support my merge. Just speak with my merge. Check out charms and trend that shop website. And you can find the business page on Instagram, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see there, you get it customized. If you want your picture upon it, your wedding anniversary picture upon it, your husband, your wife, your picnic picture, your mother picture, you can get it upon it. If you want your name upon it, you can get it. Any color you want it in, just look what you want, choose the type cup or tumblers or water bottle or whatever you want, and you can get it customized. Just drop in the DM for that. And anything you see what you want, you just go straight to the website and make your purchase. The price and everything is there, and you pay for shipping. Alright, support already cost. Quality goods for affordable prices. Alright, bless up. Let's get into the video now, cause it come like Tina, Messi like Mr. Fletcher him, Bobby Doisha want Farmer Clique. Now me see like Tina want team with Marcia. I don't know where I want, but it come like them want try one comeback team business. So make we hear where I want.
To the news here.
Yeah, fret.
Mirrors.
You know American city, so where you fret for?
The man has shut down Medicaid. One shut down Medicaid.
Fretting.
Put it on pause.
Fretting.
And put in welfare on pause. Section A's on
Fretting.
pause.
Fretting.
And all the program them on pause.
All of your program them back on pause.
Then all them people you manage.
A good thing you did get rich before.
No, then
I don't owe them your people you have manage. Oh, you have manage.
Dash him out to the White House. Then the poor people can't survive in America then.
You're not rich, you don't have a problem. You care about people.
Good evening.
You don't care about people, so not talk about that. You're rich. You gain your riches about 5 months ago, 4 months ago.
You see when no voting? Me? I'm not going to go vote him in.
You know you want him come in too? Because when I tell you get frustrated.
All of the benefit them. I can't.
You know you want him come in too? Because when I time you know that swing for him like, oh, wait, because you want him get rid of people them where you figure more or less is undocumented. Where you feel like a mail around you on social media. So you're one of them where they try to vindicate him also. Whether you want to vote for him or not vote for him. But this is life. Someone who want to carry down 100 somebody just to get to one somebody. And that is one of the main reasons why they do what you did do. Because you feel like say enough of these people in social media we are mail around you because you make it look like legal documentation were only there for you alone. Or because some people might come 3, 4, 5 years ago, they are not, legally can obtain documentation. You have to do it like 40 years like you before. Yes. So basically, you don't want that man to come to get rid of them people there. So nobody talk like you never want him.
Pass a whole heap of benefit.
Whole heap of your benefit.
Mirrors, clot.
It's shocker. Lucky your blood pressure never go.
Out on the street, I beg.
Lucky your blood pressure never go. And now you go homeless.
Some of them know why I walk to,
Like yourself. And now you go homeless. You better hold on the work them way you have. And make them
you
find
see, all of the important benefit them for poor people them pass. Don't them have a pantry go full up now. The man has shut down Medicaid.
You worry about that thing?
I go for the old people.
You worry about that thing?
Where I go on, Freddy? I listen to this Donald Trump. I go on with Donald Trump. These people. Remember to put up the thumbs up, people. Make the already woman a play Tina. Me not understand you over there cause Tina. Me not understand and she not like what Tina say and she whatever. I mean I understand somebody cannot like what somebody say and you are playing contents. I don't understand. This
Yeah, look
woman
back
is a
it
bully.
is.
This woman is a bully.
Yeah, look L.
If you don't like somebody and come and criticize somebody and criticize me, she's a bully. I mean, here enough time I play out Tina live them straight. Tina, you need to go and strike that bitch. You need to go and strike her. Cause me remember she play enough video with you out straight where she not play out with me straight. Cause if she not play me out straight, me strike that bitch long time. It look like so we have a good on in our video. All you want me do this man, me not.
And then now, as me say, T-Dog, she pop up on her live, start type about 50 different comment. So that give her more strength, like Tina was her supplicant, so she get her boots up. You understand? Supplicant boots you up, yes. So she just have force it in a Tina head for go listen. Go turn lightning, go and go strike, turn lightning, yes. Cause you can't do it over the years or over the months. So you try to get somebody now where you know within yourself like to do those things and know how to write this, call this and do that, email this and she-mail that. Yes, man. Because you want to be the man who have the laugh when it hear it happen. But make us see it work out.
Put out it.
Because put it on the guideline, I don't know where other people
so
are doing over them
place still. If she never screen recorded before, people
know what I do over here.
Me say me eat the blood clot woman, you see, man. Me despise her, YouTube. I don't understand YouTube allow that little Jezebel woman. They come on social media and take people contents and over there play it like say a fear own and I make money off of it. This is not right. Hashtag YouTube. Hashtag YouTube. How could you allow? We are live better than them. Eh? This little old Jezebel witch woman come on social media and every day she come and antagonize people. She need to come off of YouTube and go look something do. Or get some counseling for a mental problem. Nobody know why hear you are discuss nobody. Who you? You come Facebook say if you do content you live at Jamaica, go find contents to a Jamaica. You live at Portland. My man friend work at Portland. But look how much things are going on in America now with Donald Trump. You always come out here and tell people, look how much things are going on in Jamaica. You can't go vlog about them something there. And come on for people naming this and Thre, worry not. Right now, Donald Trump alone come in. When Donald Trump come in at power, and me look on YouTube, every scroll is about Donald Trump. Donald Trump. He was the topic. Even up till now. But it's still, you are telling people to go and find content that so much is in Jamaica because so much things are happening. But there is so many things happening now in America and you now use it for content. Because why? You know the people them now go and hear that. So you know basically there's no views. So why you want to send somebody to do something that they won't get any views because their audience don't want to hear that? I can come out here and do something like when my views, Sir P and the Spot Media do, But me come out here doing that. God bless the few people who are going to view that. Because what? My audience is not for that. You understand? But make the same thing with me do and the Spot Media, my views, Sir P, all of them people that deal with them type of something, they come out here come do it. Within an hour or 2 hours. You see how much views them get. So you cannot feed your audience with something that they don't want to hear. And you know that. That's why you don't want to do it. And that's the same reason why on your platform where you're there, the audience where you attract with the new platform where you are built, you notice you're not getting enough views. When last you do a video over there, you have to run back to over here. So and you say you have to try and build over there. So you want to tell people to do things what you have the privilege to do and you yourself not doing it. My man friend, when me for 20 odd years.
Are the BMW man
Work
shut
at
up?
Portland. You know who he work for? If you ever know who he work for. And I dig.
You date a man friend from Portland for 20 odd years. Is it that 20 odd years straight, or out of the 20 odd years, you count from the first year, or first year and a half where you and him used to talk and break up, and 18 year or 18 and a half years or 19 more years, and then you say you talked to him for 20 years, Marcia, no man not talk to you for so long. Marcia, I know no man not talk to you for so long. You, Marcia, not have no relationship for 20 years. Not have no relationship for 20 years. Don't come out here come tell nobody that. You talk to the man for a year, which is 20 years ago. That don't mean you have a relationship with the man for 20 years. Oh, you can't tell Lisa. Which man has stayed with you for even 2-3 years, much less 20 years? Eh? Unless as the people themselves be homeless people, unwanted people, people with needs, people with desperate. But no sensible real man nah stay with you for 20 years. Not even 3 years, much less 20 years, Marcia. Jesus, peace. Why you so lie?
Military man that.
Military man?
I never chat to no riff of Jamaica. Public man of Jamaica, me I tell you say.
Every man
you
you
come
talk
there,
to
get few
a
one in already long time.
All of your man
but
them
through them the
a
man they a dignitary man. And them no mix up with dirty bungle.
Yeah, be a big man you talk to in a
me
high
ask you.
places. Who you to?
And so me I tell you say.
Who no mono, who you to?
If me want to fix your business long time, if it wasn't for Facebook, me fix your business long time with the law. So that me tell you that.
Street talk and courthouse are different.
She too much.
What case you have against her that she wouldn't have against you with all the threat you sent to her? With all the threat you sent to her, what evidence
they got a family in church in Georgia.
What evidence you have against her what she not against you?
They got a family in church in Georgia. God not church? We say God go and strike them down.
And them coming for people at over the living job too.
Nobody want to hear about Marcia. If Marcia live in a hotel, holiday in, I live a client yard and don't have nobody interested. The only people
when you live Pandana name, nobody never interested for you to live Pandana name. What heap other things that more people want to hear about? Whole heap of other things that happen what we want to hear about. But only it still only live Pandana name. So now the wheel turn and people live on phone name. Why you come point out things that happen? You never see things that happen all along when you depend on such a man name. Eh? Your boots up Tina now. If you got start live, if you come out here and tell the public say Dana plan with people for analyze her. Dana farm gang for analyze her. Dana team up for analyze her because that exactly what she come out in the video come and say over and over, you know. And Dana go to prison, you know. Because hey, me I tell you, just feel like say street talk and courthouse talk are the same thing. Because Tina in the video, you know, not go here. I said, Danny a farm and I set up people to come at her because she breed up the whole of them. Bam bam and all of them. To attack her a road and analyze her. But she I gonna make such woman go to prison. Because she gonna make the court know say XYZ. You better have proof of all the way you go say. Because me cannot know such woman from nowhere at all. And me feel like me don't like you and me threaten you. What evidence you gonna have that me and such woman have dealings? Me and such woman even have dealings. What evidence you gonna have that me and such woman will any form of conversation to analyze you? What evidence? You feel like you can just go in a courthouse and say, Lord God, me and her was friend and that's why I come do you this? No. You have to can prove that and prove why I do you that. So when you come out here, I'm going to educate it and come and we don't look at street talk and want people to believe like say street talk and courthouse talk is the same thing. Like you don't want to intimidate people. It not gonna work. And it won't work because we no idiot. All the duns know say street talk different from courthouse talk.
Who is interested about my people because they know not go so. Nobody don't interested yeah from Devil was a boy. Nobody care where we live, or if we have kitchen, or if we have kitchen not. We look better than you. Nobody not care if we have bathroom, we skin look better than your one.
Longest kiss teeth that.
We ear look better than you. We are go to enjoy ourselves. Nobody cares.
Beer, so why you come here to catch yourself?
Nobody cares. Me know me have some place where me go. And me know say real comfortable. Me just walk in and me get my food from there. Me just done eat Italian food a while ago.
Everything soon cut off now.
In the 5 o'clock me gone there and dinner again.
You're
And me fridge full of food.
Don't worry.
Plus me carry bun and cheese, me have patty, me have mackerel, me have sardine, me have corned beef, me have salmon, me have shrimp, me have chicken, me have chicken liver, chicken back and something in the fridge.
All that is not your expense.
Me no lack of nothing. Me just come and get 4 boxes of packaging.
You no lack of nothing at all. You just come get 4 box of packaging. And none of them is your expense. You don't know how $1 spend. But this is the lifestyle you want to live. And come out here, come brag from people where I live a lifestyle moment at their own expense. You understand? You come out here want to brag on people who live in a lifestyle moment at their own expense. Nobody now feed and clothe them. Nobody now provide no shelter for them. Because at their age, there are no kid, no gardener, there are no kids anymore. They are adult, responsible adult, independent adult. All of these people, both who support the Planka Nation and the Planka Boss and everybody. You understand? Them not have nobody to depend upon. Well, if a woman have her spouse and a man have him woman and whatever, and that's the family life that them live, but they are not sitting down waiting on strangers to come and give them any opportunity, living a free mentality. It's just handout. That's what you're living off of. All the way you brag about your son, you don't put $1 towards it. Because people that come now and hear you speaking like this, and I say, wow. And so say your own home, all these things come and go. Or your fridge them something in. And not even know say all these things come for the client that you're taking care of. And as a home care worker, them try to make sure food there so you're comfortable in certain ways. And that you come out here brag pan, you're not shame. And you always want to brag on people wealth and success with them gaining a life because they are ambitious. When you never have the same ambition to do the same thing, so people can come and live off of you. Because basically not even your picnic or your grandchild, you want to put anything in place to come and inherit from you. Because you have said it, oh, me I damn food and sport out my own. You think me I build a house and then maybe the house make you live in it. And when make you live in it, picnic come take it and this, come take it and war over it. All these people will hire you. The same man where you look after. If him probably did think the way how you think, for him kids them who come grow and have nothing, that you can able to take care of him while them fit the bill. And this is what you call generation wealth. What I say? Generational wealth. You can start build the house, but at the same time, you might not be able to finish build the house. The house pass on, and you must get analyzed. For you can't finish, you can't eat hard times. But at the same time, you did start, so you make the house easier for your ambitious child that is coming, whether them born already at the time or after. And if 95% of us will live in the ghetto who don't born come see nothing in the world, more than we life we get from Father God, our parents are struggle with a single mother or a single father. Because you don't only have single mother, you have single father too. Because you have woman with a carrier, just like you have man with a sperms donor. If them did born come see something where them can add to make them life better and easier to the far better off in this world. But none of us the band come see nothing. Most of us the band come see nothing. So we have to start from scratch. But the point is, if these people were thinking like you, non-ambitious, you would not come now a brag and a boast about them people your wealth. Are the people them wealthy you brag about, you know? When after 40 years you could have accumulate enough that you could have your own wealth. That if even a stranger go benefit, you have your son and your grandson. But you never see life, so. And this is what I'm saying. What if these people, all these people that you're leaning on now, that you can be earning some form of cash or coin after how much years, the little way you did earn before you squander it out, plus living off of private charities, getting money from here, there, getting people to fit your bill in carrying you on tours, carrying you on vacations, and all those things cut off now. And all of the people them like myself, where they think so you have it all and you're rich and you have something put down. Find out you have nothing at all. And because all of them something they cut off now, the same work where you come out here, come cuss other people where do it. Because you feel like it's a nursing work and home care overall, because you're not taught like nurse as in nurse, you know, you're taught the lower level, like what you probably are doing others. Criticize those people out there. So that alone them can't do. Like from Jamaica go foreign, the only thing that them can't do. You understand? You don't have no teacher left from Jamaica, you don't have no top nurse, you don't have no top doctor. You know none of them people there with them type of profession there left Jamaica. I just be all these people left Jamaica and only job them can get is home care and stuff like that. And so you make it look, you know. And where you find yourself now? You hit rock bottom last year. And after hit rock bottom last year, you have to find yourself doing something because you were forced now. Because what? You can't afford to make another winter come catch you. And the thing about it, you kind of think, why is this year, instead of living the hype life in your head, where the winter catch you, where you get eviction, this time you lower your standard now. And the work where you that talk about and criticize others doing, it you have to know home care through agency, just to make sure you have a sure shelter over your head for this winter, because you couldn't make a second winter catch you. Plus, you claim to say you get rich, you have it now. Back into the December coming up to January. So you insure yourself. You can't fool nobody out of Marcia.
It is a order with clothes and all kind of thing from Amazon and other. And
well, you order?
A section or something like that. When they up on the phone,
oh, this is the time for we go here. 99 I set up people to analyze her. 99. And if nobody ever face her, and then because of the behavior of Chum in America now, she feel like she have the powers. She feel like because Donna upon a green card, she can call and report Donna for all kind of different things. This is why she doing this, you know. This is why she try to, you know, put Donna into this, because she try to build a case. And you know, the stance where Chumpa take with the LBG, so she using that now. I said Chris at the right time now for Chris this and Chris that, because him not have that bucket if they behind him no more. So she feel like she have little power now. But me could see it work out. Mine you know fall in a something with Donald Trump have up him sleeve. Wanna listen to her?
No sir. I saw me I go to sleepless nights and sleepless days for all for the on the internet. The part and that's gonna send me death threat for Donna. So we're there. When
the other way around
now.
you have sleepless
When
night.
see me a road and give me and do me things for Donna go. What only think I gonna happen? Only think she's gonna be walking freely or Una gonna walk freely? No, it's not gonna happen like that.
We know you want to do
Why
anything to see the back
live my
hard.
life and I continue to do what I need for do? Me not worry about them things there. Because if one stupid enough for a bill a case, I get uno claim so uno supporters of Donna go. And uno sit up on the phone and bill a case for Donna.
Don't tell nobody about smell. So people sitting on phones sending threat like that to you. Where is your evidence to attach Dana to all of this? Where is your evidence? Is it that social media open to everybody? Do you have any trace of where the phone call is coming from? Do you have any evidence of discussion with whosoever calling you or the multiple person calling you, sending you these threats? Having any such conversation with Dana? Come on, you're educated, So you're not supposed to come out here and make yourself look like an idiot and then I try to make it look like you want corrupt people against people with your corruption. You understand? What proof you have that you say you can send Dana to prison? Listen, this is this is a thought you have inside of your head we will never come out. Because you will have no trace of evidence to prove what you are saying. None whatsoever. So this is only a thought that you have in your head. I try to corrupt the internet towards this woman. You have been trying this for years, you and others. So continue. You can continue to another 5 years. And don't give in, just continue. Because with you continue to do this, you see all the money where you claim to you come out and come beg people to enhance your business, and you say you fly go England, go deal with cake and whatsoever, all of that will go in vain. All of it will go in vain. Because the time where you spend in a people business and a grow other people business, you should spend that time in a your business to see if you can grow your business. So you grow than a business, you and your friend then. You don't realize you grow than a business. No, you want to stick up one place. Like when you set the mice trap them, and the mice itch up and little glue and then the glue trap them, and the man him a fight for come off, and him a fight for come off, and the more him fight, and the more the ear them a tear off him, and the more him a glue down. Every time him feel like him get a step off of the glue trap, and him step in another part of the glue, and the glue itch him. Are you that Tina? You fight for come off a glue trap, and the glue trap where you depend is nobody set it for you. You set the glue trap for yourself. But you never realize it's a trap you set for yourself. You just feel like the trap did not catch all the people them where you see they are above you, where you want to tear down. That's why you set the glue trap, to catch the people them where they are above you, when you do you nothing at all in your life. Not try to bring down your business or talk about your business until probably when you come at them, some of them come out back for you. Nobody never set that glue trap there for you. And you set it for
like
yourself.
camphor ball and smell like all sort of sitting. When they up on the phone and talk about sexy me. Sexy me? What are we man? Me going to sleepless nights or days. I must say woman like me when a man look on and when you get jealous or when you get insecure. I must say woman like me when a man fantasize over. They're going to sit down there and eat myself because
this is a woman who have a man that say this. Tina, leave that to a woman who have man. You don't have no man to come out here to say other woman man look upon you and fantasize over you and catch them kicks. You don't have a man for yourself. You don't even have for how sexy have yourself and have yourself because he's not a full dolly. He's not even a semi dolly. He's a toy dolly. And not even for being a toy dolly. When you go out there, no man not call to you. So what that tell you say? So how you gonna say the people them man look upon you to catch them kicks? Who you to? And you don't have a man for yourself. Leave that to woman who have man to say that.
I understand all them rubbing crotch woman here have it out for me. Have it out for me. Me there I run my business and I say alright, me go log in at the 5 o'clock or hear what Marcia say. I just listen to Marcia live. I say Marcia sit down there and eat her banana.
Boots are up.
Why? God know. God know. But me watch Marcia eat her banana and cheese. Just log on, come in the on all day. I'm busy all day. I went to look to backside. Marcia draw me attention to the woman of Portland. Have my video them over there and have some all.
I say, the house ever busy. When you listen every time she talk, it's like she not have no time in this world. If you know not the way I go on in social media, she not have no time in this world to come on social media. But she can know everything on social media. Cause she ever house you can't fool nobody out here. You're supposed to have a double notification on your phone when such woman come live. Double. So if it goes a bring, yeah man, multiple. You're supposed to have a feature on your phone where you can set multiple notification. So you can't miss when such woman come live. Like you take me feed yard. What busy weekend you have? You have a stress Monday. A stress Tuesday.
Why don't you send me thread for Dana and do me things for Dana? Why do you think Dana will be going? Dana is going straight to prison.
By
She's
who?
going straight to prison.
By
Not
who?
just her, but Uno.
By
But
who?
I don't want to go straight to prison because she has been contributing to the inciting of violence towards my life. She will go to prison and so will Uno. So what's the whole point for? You see what I'm going to...
Prove it now. Can you prove it? Prove it. Yo, talk to her. Make the Rasta talk to you. Me did not talk to you. Talk to her, Rasta. Prove it to the Rasta.
The country? But you see what I'm going on in the country? Like, seriously? The only day on the internet cuss me off because I dare to have an opinion about something. If I come out here and say I don't, Uno come trouble me, Uno come bother me, in my own look brain, Uno dead and come trouble me. So now Uno come trouble me and me, go my opinion, Uno send me death threat now, and Uno come trouble me. I'm so tormented. All women so tormented and I know no better for do. When a man got a rumba or something, come on, man. It can't be that. Look what's going on in the country right now. You see Donald Trump stop funding federal funding. People are get kicked off left, right, and center off of food stamps. People are get kicked off of food stamps. People Section 8 things. Section 8 and all is sitting there go get frig up in the future and only up on the internet to talk about me.
Sorry, for your car, your future look dark too. Sorry, right now you're in a house problem, so your future look dark.
Me hear say about 900 of them they dep on the live. I send me threat and all a Carleen. I send me threat for Dana go. But what do you think I got happen when Dana, when Uno I send me threat for Dana? What do you think I got happen?
Nothing at all.
She's not going nowhere. She's not going nowhere but to prison with the whole of Uno. Because she's a part of the problem.
Wow.
So Uno just
So you're part of what?
Case. That's all I know.
You're a part of what?
So I don't know what the problem is. And so me sit down here cool, calm and collected. But not even up. Yeah. But they are cool, calm and collected. I take in the news and I listen to all Donald Trump. I take away every rotty thing and I shut down everything. I only up on the internet. I cuss me and I threaten me.
First you say, you're dead there, never have the time for the internet. And you just dead there sitting and you say, make you go look where I go on and you look, you see Marcia they live. Only if you understand that them over there I send you threat and dip on your name. Over 900 of them. You understand? But yet still, you are going to say, yeah, watching news and mind your own business. That after you say what you say, you know. You saw your lie? Simple. You come here so come tell lie. You were busy all day, you never have the time. And you just take up your phone and scroll and you see Marcia the live. You say, let me see where Marcia go on with. And you go over there and realize, say, them dep your name over such woman a country. To the start type and Marcia tell yourself you got this and you got that and you got strike and all kind of thing. But now, you're going to say you're busy. So somebody call you, change your statement. Or they enjoy watching news. And somebody call you or WhatsApp you. Tell them, say, well, do not tell them no lie, you have to be careful, you know. Because the same lie want to tell and want to implicate people in a certain things. I go mash you up in the long run, you know. Yes, man. The lie want to come out and come tell, it I go mash you up in the long run. Be careful of the lie them want to tell.
Woman when not paying American tax.
you know that? And Dana supposed to pay more tax in America more than you, and look how long you live there. Eh? Alright, let's put it this way. Since Dana come to America come live, me now ask Dana pay more tax than you. What me say? Since Dana get her green card, fly come to America get her green card, for the couple months that she did it, she pay more tax than you. We did not go back then. Just still a little space of time there. Dana pay more tax than you. Dana contribute to more to America than what you contribute for the 30 or 20 years where you're in America for the short space of time where you did it. Right now, if it come to the test, just like if you work at one workplace, when them lay off people, how you think them lay off people? Them lay off people based on your overall record. And one of the main things is your attendance at work. Or often you attend to work. That's one of the main things them use when them lay off people. So right now, if Donald Trump say, alright, you might line up somehow, you are one of them and Dana are one of them, and one last person for go. And them run your file all when you're a citizen. And you them are going to turn out. Because when them look, the woman where is just a green card holder presently contribute more in a short space of time than what you contribute in your entire life. So who you think them are going to keep? You talk about the woman not paying it. So what? Through you pay tax, the people them sit down with you with your foolishness and what you're going on with, trying to tear down people. Why you're so heated since Sunday? Why? Because you see things happen in a social media where one, you can't live for do it. Two, you feel like say when Dana try to put Chris and Ashanti together, it's not healthy for you. Because it's like stronger in the ally to come at you. Because you want to sit and see the people them who, acquaint themselves with 99. Go at it. So you can sit and laugh and talk about it. And when you realize these two men are going to get together in a way where, yes, they might not become this friend, but they might just put it aside. They look pass with you, pass with me, and pass on. Yes, you don't want to see that. That's not something where you want to see. You want to see the planker supporters them out against them one another, day in, day out. That give you a wide smile. Still not help your cause, but it give you a wide smile. So you can come out here, come talk. So because of so many things you see happen since Sunday, you see it Monday, Tuesday, for the whole of this week you rant. And you're not going to have nothing new for rant over more than the same old thing. That not new. Every day you come with the same old. What's new? That not new. Every day for the rest of the week you come with the same thing. All these lies about threats. And Dana set up people for this. Is nothing new you have said out here. Nothing new. But I'm saying, why after the party all this? Why never before the party? Because thing was on a low key. So you never have nothing to come out, come talk. So now the party keep on you see things where in your eyesight where why you never expect that. You understand? Yes, man. It trigger your feelings.
I just know what America smell like. Huh?
And you know how long I not contribute nothing.
Look how much more important things we are going. Look on Donald Trump. Look on the federal funding where him freeze, food stamp, and all that sit there. People are get kicked off of food stamp. And only them on the internet that cost me for a woman where don't spend her own money. Then up Dana and I send me death threat on Portland phone for Dana. When you see me on road, or you just cut on your eye past me because me I telling you straight up, I ain't backing from none of y'all. I don't care how old any one of you are. Me now.
People, you never tell me say Dana spend Tina money. Dana don't spend her own money. I sure know. Dana not fretting over the federal funding that Donald Trump sees. Dana not fretting over the federal funding that Donald Trump sees. You more and your friend Tina and Marcia is fretting over all this with Donald Trump do. Me can't bet you any money. If tomorrow morning, God forbid, Donald Trump decides say he might take back the green card from 99, she don't have a problem. You know why she don't have a problem? Home sweet home. You see the lampshade? Home sweet home. And not just coming back home and shame to come back home. And afraid to come back to our community. Gladly want to come back to our community. Remember now, you know, Dana no want foreign, you know. Dana no want foreign. That was back then. Dana no want foreign right now. Circumstances because of our kids. So if the chance come back and she come back by force, she comfortable coming back home, sure no no arms house, sure no no family place she go catch, sure no no friend she go beg for put her up, sure no she not go sit down for all 3 months and a beg dollar yes or dollar this, so if try put something together if you go get something for rent. How much years in America? When you put up one little structure out here, not one. Not one. Because what America on a band. Because every day when you get up American citizenship, I know on a passport mark place of birth, Jamaica. Where that tell you say, only is just the older of the United States government book wanna come and wave every day. It can be taken away from you. It can be revoked. That one if you remember. So you don't fret about that now. But no sure that not fret about we are going with federal government in America right now. Medicaid, Sedicade, Applecade, Dadacade, all kind of cade. Welfare, no fear, every fear. Bus fear. She not worry about that. And to make things prettier, if they pity them for even come home, there is also okay. It's a difference between when you're making money, you know. It just come like a car. You have your one money, you go buy a Benz or a BMW if you come maggle with. Because you only did that think about muggling, but you never did that think about the maintenance of the car. No. And when the car broke down with you, or broke down, it have to park at your gate or park a garage weeks and months. Because guess what me now? You never buy one car where you can run go all in one grocery shop and get the parts. You buy one car where you have to go a dealer shop. Special place to go get the parts, or you have to go send feet overseas and you don't have passport like myself. Dana don't do that. Dana make her money and she make her foundation. So she prepare for any water. Calm water or rough sea, she prepare for it. So making the money is one. But it's how to angle the money. You understand? And when you can angle the money and manage your money and budget your money and not floss out your money, like no phone do, Curly is a signature of that. And not have nothing in her life. Right now, if Curly ever hear the news say all Jamaican citizens, we are going to review your citizenship, whether you're there 60 years ago or 50 years ago, 20 years ago, 10 years, 5 years ago, Curly are gonna have loose bowel. You know the reason why Curly are gonna have loose bowel? Curly knows that in the time when she reach America, she not reach in the proper way. I'm telling you already, that's why I mix up in age. Because the birth paper where she go up on is a younger age birth paper. You understand? Our original birth paper is the older one. So that's why she have mixed up in age, because a 2 birth paper she have. The one of them used to adapt her and the original birth paper. So she got in a problem. She got have loose bowel. She have to walk with tile paper stuff on her, like when women see them. You know them sister come visit them and them after something there. Yeah, so she have to go walk with toilet paper. Because fear loose bowel where she have. When she hear that, because she know she fall in that boat there. So when you go and fret about people who are comfortable more than you, who want foreign more than the people them who know talk about. Who want foreign, who want America more than Dana go. Dana go no need America. Oh, look at me. Me day and a half. See there? A full couple living now. Foul cub. Foul cub me live in. But guess what? I feel me comfortable. I'm in a one foreign. Back in the days in the 80s when me say foreign nice, a man I come from foreign, probably did want foreign. But after early 90s coming up, me never think about foreign. That me didn't have passport. Can you imagine? Kawa, me alright. Me can go shop go find food and go in and make yard and catch up wood fire, coal fire or whatever, light a gas stove. Me alright. Me can pay me bills, me alright. Me can put on my head and comfortable, me alright. When me I go chase we gone left me long time for now. Why? When me alright. So me I go give it a little when me have a yard now, give it furniture, sell out furniture for come a foreign. Come struggle and start all over again. And only they are foreign from them time they were things nice and only not have nothing. That if Trump call when me just say a while ago, say my review all our citizenship from Jamaica and find any little infringement, any little bandolo. Sorry for you.
Back from the Uno, if anyone on all bitches, see me in the road and step to me. Me now back from Uno. Oh, me just make Uno know. I'm a son of go. Where go?
The son of go look something to beg. Cause you don't left my food I yard. You don't left my food I yard, so you don't look food.
Me now back from Uno.
They got y'all like a your fridge supposed to full of different kind of meat. Food supposed to
Me
be
now
lower.
back from no. And that's how me couldn't know that. Yeah? So you can't go and defend her and compare her and put yourself in a trouble. You see what I go on now? One telephone call me have to make. One telephone call me make pardon the Ross.
This is the same person we come out here just a few hours ago, you know. Said these are things that she don't do. She don't have time for this. I want to say she do this and she do that. And it's like she forgot, so she come out here just like how she said no. So she like to write. She like to email. She like to write long epistles. She know who to call and where to call. See it again? Wanna see where I go on now? One thing she talk about. The whole situation with all of what Trump say I go do and this and that. So basically she feel like she have the powers now. She can call ICE, she can call immigration, she can call ice water, she can call flimmigration and fimmigration. You understand? That's why she tell us she can just make one phone call. Just as though she highlight Chris, the bucketive where him feel like he did have into America with the LBG, he don't no longer have it because of what Trump has said. So she feel like now she has the power, can do things by taking up her phone and call, go on her computer and email here and there about me, she and the old lady. Remember, you have a thing they call turn back blow. There's so much time it catch Marcia. You so much time turn back blow catch Marcia. Alright.
What are two out of order? What if everybody are bad people behind a phone?
Now you that?
Would everybody
You
back
that?
a phone? When they are scratching the gum and I call up my name. I don't even know. What do you know that I'm from? 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 Now, what do you want to take my life? What do you want to take my life for that? What do you know that I'm from? So what do you do me? What do you arm me now for that woman there? What do you think could I go? What do you think she go? What do you say? Bill a case? That's all I'm doing on a bill a case. But it's not easy.
No, that's what you have tried though. You have tried to do some the middle last year, you know. When you hear the lawsuit are coming up. You try compare your life and talk all these nonsense, all these crap, all this filth from your packed mouth. You understand? Your pit latrine mouth. You talk all these crap. Because you want to have these things on record. But having all these things on record and present it to a judge, a jury, a clerk of the court, they're going to ask you, what is this? What is sense in this? What is this proving? What are you saying here? We just hear you talk things. This can't work out. Where's the evidence to fit what you are saying here? You can't present any. So you're wasting your time doing all of this that you are doing. You are trying to build a case. You have been doing this from the middle of last year when your ear said there's going to be a lawsuit.
I've nothing better for doing all the time. Really don't have anything better for doing all the time. Look how much serious shit I go on right now in this world. And then on the internet, I cuss me and I threaten me for that. Because I come out and have an opinion. I have an opinion. When I sit up on a pissy pussy, right? Smelling like urine. Instead of get up and go exercise and walk around and get to the blood sugar levels low. When I sit up on the phone and talk about me. Eh? Talk about me. One of the old criminals said,
you can't talk about nobody smell like nowhere. Cause you coming like you carry a second ass in your throat. You carry a second ass in your throat. Not even down a slaughterhouse so them throw the whole carcass them till the truck come for them. Not smell like your mouth. What me say? Not even slaughterhouse. For your mouth look like you had travel with a second bat tea in your mouth. Down in your throat. Your tongue, you love long out your tongue and you don't realize say your tongue don't have the normal color where it's supposed to have. I don't know if the whole shining what you used to do back in your days. All of the sheen and the redness off of your tongue come off on the man them private. Left your tongue so white because you don't know, you know. If me have that piece of green leaf here, and me have it and me I rub it on the wall and me I rub it on the wall, it'll go change color, you know. So me I wonder if I saw make Tina tongue change color because all the shining when she used to go on within her days, the color her tongue left off of all of them and the private. You come and talk about people. You can't criticize people, eh? Eh, girl? Girl, we walk with the back in your throat. Yes, man, you come like you have a horse and walk with in your throat. And you talk about people. Come on, don't do that. Look at beer, look good, smell good people that plank about party.
Because when I don't know gunman son, who is just like her. Just like she. But me not back from no, me not back from. So anytime I see me on the street, I stay far away from him. I just make you know that. Because anyone that want to make after me, I gotta defend myself. I just make you know that. Because when I go like on bother than everybody else out here, and nobody must have an opinion, and everybody have an opinion, and don't want to attack the people them, and don't want to send them death threat. What's wrong with you Jamaicans? Una coward, you know? Una coward. Because all of them have a mouth, lip. That's all of them have his mouth. Look on the man them, same way. All the man them have a mouth. Them can't even fist fight nobody. All of them have a mouth. So the same thing with the woman too. All of them have his mouth. So when they sit up on the phone and try to beat up on the dentures, them fall and beat up on the other scratch on the gum. One of those days. You ever had one of those days where nothing don't go right?
I say you come on social media and take it out from people because nothing not go right for you for the whole day.
Best too.
Nothing not go right for you for the whole day, so you come on social media and take it out from the people then.
One of those days. January has been a pretty interesting month. Very busy month for me, January. Yeah. To my attention, I kind of logged on a bit, like maybe 45 minutes to an hour ago, because I wasn't on all day. So I logged on and I was on YouTube on Marcia's live, and I saw that she was telling me to strike somebody. So I said, who for strike? So she said, for strike the woman at Portland. So I said, who that? Like, she talk about the woman at Portland. Must say, I play my video them. I'm going to go over there and strike her in a few. But through my business, I really have the time.
Let's see what happened in another 12 hours people by a morning.
When I realized that Sasha go on
when you say
over
video
there,
your morning, because night
when I
now,
realized that the
Tuesday
woman at
night.
Portland are going back with me. Like, really? And then she have Carleen with all of these big woman over there, some big old pissy pussy big woman over there argue with me and all of them, something there, and a Carleen pass.
You don't have none of that though. You don't have no pissy pussy. You don't have none. It's a spot you have underneath you. Your one coming like it drill out. It coming like the Chinese, them will build the road, them on the north coast, use a jackhammer and drill out your one. You don't have none.
True, and I trigger me for Dana. But may I tell these big man, so let me tell you something.
So me say informer. Remember that snow there? You need to get that in your head. And the cable book. Remember the Canadian singer when name Snow when they come to Jamaica come kick up a storm in them days there with Peter Mitchell them. Say informer. You know you forget that in your head. Yes man, Snow from Canada.
The country I go on with so much things I own a dep on phone. I send me threat for one big old hog on the internet. Like me not have no right for talk.
Big old hog live comfortable. She have a good pen.
Have 1 foot in the dirt or 1 foot up.
The big old hog have a nice big pig pen. Comfortable. You never see a better living hog like that. And look upon you and say you're a human being. A ginger fly live better than you. Because ginger fly only come out occasionally, you have to lift certain things. To attract ginger fly, for you can see ginger fly. So all ginger fly live better than you. You're like a common person. You're coming like white line in a road. What me say? You're coming like the white line in a road. You're so common. Everything run over you, run pan you, run side of you. The way you come on. It's like white line in a road, girl. Go ahead. You can't call nobody pig or hog. Go ahead. The hog that live comfortable.
All like dirt.
The hog don't have to beg no money for no vocation or improve them skills.
Or should I depend some cruise with a young boy, a section or something like that? Would it depend on the phone? That's something important? No?
So, at the semi-daddy this, I tell people that these same people which is a whole foot and whole people and retired people, you will tell figure have young boy. Is it that because no young boy now look upon you as a young dolly or a middle age dolly as according to you? You should have shame. Because if nobody now look upon you, if somebody will go up on the table more than one time, I go send people for go look upon people you call retired senior citizens. You should have shame. Because them same young boy the way you tell them senior citizen you about, not looking at you. Not looking at you. You not have a man and you go tell the people them that. And you not have a man? Yes, man, you're doing it. You know that. You don't have to tell her that. Be a 3 o'clock you wake up morning time. And go on live. 3, 4 o'clock.
When you see me a road and give me and do me things for Dana go, what do you think I gonna happen? Do you think she's gonna be walking freely? Or gonna walk freely?
More than you look like a ass.
It's not going to happen like that. Why do you think I continue to live my life and I continue to do what I need for do? I don't worry about them things there. Because if you're stupid enough, you build a case. And get, claim some supporters of Dana go. And sit up on the phone and build a case for Dana. Like, I make my job easier. Because only a fool would sit up on the phone and I send death threat to somebody for them opinions. When I said, big old hugs, when the pissy pum pum. When supposed to smell like urine and smell like camphor ball and smell like all sorts of sitting. When they're on the phone and talk about sex to me. Sex to me? What are we doing?
You sound so dumb. You sound dumb.
And get jealous and get insecure. I must say, like me, man fantasize over. They could sit down there and eat myself because I can't understand how them rubbing crotch woman here have it out for me.
Breakthrough, active, mango,
out for me. Me there I run my business and I say, alright, me go log in at the 5 o'clock and hear what Marcia say. You know what, just listen to Marcia live. I say Marcia sit down there and eat her bun and cheese.
You hear? You hear? But 8 still, and news she did a listen. And if you are listening news, all you know say people out here on your name. Because you still never say you get a phone call or somebody text you. So this alone you know you tell lie. See you swing it again you know. And see what you just said a while ago. You're there and you just wait and go say you go on social media when you look at say Marcia, you say make up see what Marcia say. Show you how liar is. Just show you how liar is. Anyway people.
Why? God know.
Come to the end of another video you know.
God know.
You don't know what they do.
But me watch Marcia eat her bun and cheese just log on, you know, coming at the on all day. I'm busy all day.
And the news again.
Portland.
And a new share watch
Marcia
again.
draw me attention to the woman of Portland. Have my video them over there.
And a
have
new
some
share watch again.
old woman of Colleen. I send me threat
I
for
never
Donna
knew share
and
watch.
all of them something there. So we there. When you send me threat for Donna and do me things for Donna, where do you think Donna will be going? Donna is going straight to prison.
No way, that's how you want to see. You don't have no evidence to do that. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. I come to the end of another video. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. Stop skip the ads, people. The amount of skippable ads when I see, stop skip the ads. When I support them, they want to do go on vacation. Stop skip the ads. And remember, Life is a Mission TV and TikTok and favorite it. Follow me over there. When you see the plan, when you hear the plan, for Life is a Mission. So all I know we are going to want to entertainment there. Whichever date will be, it can go to be a weekend, you know. And then now, we'll take it from there after a couple of weeks. We're bringing the request line where you request which song you want. And we are going to choose the day. Whether we're going to do it in a midweek. Well, you don't want to do it midweek when most people have to go around. Because if we are going to do this, we are going to start it like 10 o'clock at night. You understand? Yes. I'll do it to that good for most of the people that they are work and want to entertainment. But I feel like I want to do that request line there on a Sunday. The request line on a Sunday. Yeah, where you request the music song where you want and I play it. So you're going to follow me over TikTok. Alright? Me need like what? 20 odd person to make 1,000 followers over there. After I do this, I want to hear this. You say, all I want to follow me over TikTok. Make when time I go up on TikTok tomorrow evening. Because this I go post tomorrow morning. When I go up on TikTok tomorrow evening, I see I reach 1,000. So I know say, I get on yourself ready for having party with Speak My Mind. Or I should say Life is a Mission on TikTok. Alright? Remember, go support the merge also. Check out charmsandtrend.shop website. Or you go straight on the Instagram page to see what you want. You get it customized. Charmed_trends. Charm_trends on Instagram. Anything you see, you get it customized. Just make your order on the website. Bless up. I'm out.